Good morning, everyone. Today I want to look at, again, at our pypi-list project and converting it back over to a official kedro starter. First thing I want to do is go over to actions, double check. Since last time we worked on this, it looks like everything has been running smoothly. If we do a pypi list.waylandwalker.com. It's running live. And we can see available single words as packages. That's good. That's good. Let's take a look at our setup.py. One of the things I want to make sure is kind of buttoned up a little better before we ship it. Okay, I kind of remember where we were last time. Need this for now. And probably just fill that one. Oh, I didn't want to split anyways. I wanted here. Let's you guys can see what I got going here. New corn keeb. Fresh. This is this afternoon will be 1 week on it. Close harpoon. Typing has been going well, but still trying to find key bindings is a little different. We were looking at colon E. I need a telescope hidden key binding. He wasn't working. We had like the setup.cfg. That's what we were in. Yeah, so this bump version. Did we end up bumping last time? Let's bring our split back. Yeah, it looks like we did. We did a bump version. And that was working great. Oh, I just killed it. IPI list. Man, it's got set up. Killed it. Let's do a view, open setup, config. So we have bump version. Something we might be missing is like 8. Okay, hold on, buddy. All right. Like 8. Why don't you run? Um, Regardless. Oh, you're running on the full deal. I usually don't have my virtual environments uh, in. Usually use Conda. So yeah, you would want to, that situation, Blake, date, did we call it pypi-list, I think? Yep. So we have some legitimate, like 8 errors on this guy. Um, Elite and 17, 24. We have logging here. We have logging. Oh, requests. Yep. Okay. Save. Um, I'm surprised this passes. Does it pass black? Yeah, because I have black uh, running by default pypi-list. Okay. Usually those two clash, so we're gonna snag some config fixes their issues with each other. Repos. We'll grab our kedro diff config. Setup.config. I think these are all things that I would want. For the most part. Save. Rerun like 8. There it is. Okay. Like 8 is happy. We can do a fugitive GIC. Add like 8 big. Okay. What else is something we want? I do it. I did it again. Let's keep us a was this one. I'm gonna keep a pane open. And do nvim. I'm gonna have to do some new key bindings or something. Close that guy. Not what we wanted. We want to set up config. If we do a X, we'll get a new session. Okay. We're good here. What else do we want from our setup.config? My test maybe. My doc style. My py maybe. Here's what yeah, so no, this one get us there. What I'm looking for is the starter. It'll be in templates. Project. Setup.config. Extend ignore E20 E203. Huh. You see? We gotta look at dollies for just a second, guys. Okay. Show me the dollies. I told you we'd look at it, and then things just happened. Okay, cool. Are some of these on your other list? This is a different list.
Yeah.
Like, sure.
I think
Well, Cookie see has the whole color.
I think
Is this a fashionista collection? Cool. It's a really pretty hair color. Really cool.
I just want to
Blue one.
also like I love wheelchair.
Sure. What's your favorite?
All fashion needs
All of them. You have a favorite shirt on here or dress? You like that one? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I really like this.
I love the collection is so cool. So many interesting and different. Yeah. Cool. Mm-hmm. All right. Um,
Would you wear that?
oh, that's a pretty
But when
that's pretty wild.
wear it to go out,
I don't know if I could pull that off or not.
you could wear it. You could.
All right, back to it. Let's see. Okay, so their setup config only had flake 8. They put isort. Um, okay. I think these are all things we would want in our template. Let's copy this, and we will edit a py project.toml. Soon. Apparently, I don't have a toml. Something missing from toml. Not getting any syntax highlighting. We have a terminal? No. S. I want to run isort. Guy list. Get UI. careful with this one. Z. This still just has our, we can go ahead and add W it, remove, uh, duplicate imports. Q by default. Do we need to isort dash Y? Apparently it has no issues with it. Git UI. The only changes I saw a minute ago were the ones that we already did. And I noticed that we got our to-do list from last time. Kind of forgot that we did that. Let's take a peek here. Okay. Let's head back up. Let's look at, we have isort. Let's go ahead and commit this. I guess this is for the project. So this package name is IPI. Is that underscore or dash? What is a package name versus project name? We can find that out. Our cookie cutter.json. A package name replaces spaces with underscores. A repo name is spaces with dashes. A project name has spaces. IPI underscore list PI double quote. Project name is IPI list PI double quote. Should have done CI. Did I do okay. PI double quote. PI double quote. Okay. Getting the new layout figured out. Project version. We are already up to 0. 0 dot 2. Okay. Save this. Now we have to go back to setup big and bumped version. Also needs to paste. This gets a project toml. Save. Okay, looking good. Let's go down here. So, or config big for kedro isort and I test. Okay. And here we tell isort to also bump the Uh, add by project. Toml to comp list. Pre-commit is one that I would like to see out of the box. Does Kedro use pre-commit out of the box? Go back. We don't want to go to the top. We want to see project template and the project. No pre-commit. I'm going to go back to Kedro diff. .precommit.yaml to copy. Edit pre dash it dash config. I think it's an A in it. Yeah. YAML. Paste. Let's do screen. GG. Okay. Trailing white space. End of line fixer. Check YAML. Uh, added large files. Check case conflict. Merge conflict. Debug statements. Requirements. Text fix for bid module. Actually fine for some reason. Check YAML. I've had issues with it with the catalog YAML. We're gonna not do idoc style. Flake 8, isort config, isort black and docs, black and mypy. Actually, let's stay here for a minute and do requirements dev. We now want pre-commit. I'm not sure. I'm thinking, do we want, should you, I don't know if you even need to install everything when it's in your pre-commit. We can now pip install dash our requirement txt. Pull this down. Okay. Now we can run pre-it install. Okay. Installed. Pre-commit run all. Okay. So we had some issues. Let's do okay. PyProject.toml's updated with our isort seed. Did you? I scroll here. I did not know that. When you scroll wheel over the tmux pane in the bottom, it scrolls your windows. That is wicked. Okay. Trailing white space was fixed. End of file. Okay, that's fine. All gigantic kind of stuff, except for the ISOR config. Okay. We will, oh, WC. How do, yeah, WC, add free requirements. Dev. Oh, now we're pre-committing. We might have to do this outside of UI. Should run just on the things we're trying to run on. Status, it that dash is in a new place. Dash M. And what are we doing? We are add free it to requirements. F run. No. Verify. Okay, so the thing we need to get in here, this Pi project YAML. Okay, this should pass. We should be good. Oh, we got another raid from Robotic Head. Thank you, sir. Today we're working on a starter for kedro. I'm doing well. It's morning over here in the US. Are you over in Australia? All right, I'm probably off. Apparently you can't spam emotes in my chat. I'm sorry. All right, so we're packaging this thing up and adding all of our like settings and things like that that we would want if we were running this as a real project. Um, uh, also rocking brand new Ebe today. So it's about 1 week into it. So still getting my bearings straight. Do telescope. So we've edited our setup.config to have bump to version, and it's going to bump these 3 files every time we ask it to bump version. And then we did a pyproject.toml. And in here we have our tool.kedro setup, our tool.isort, tool.pytest. What were you working on today, Robotic Head? If you're still there. Oh, near beach. Can't remember what that is, but I remember looking at it and I remember starring it because it's been in my uh, uh, GitHub feed. Open source project management system using Django and Vue.js. So, were you doing Python or JavaScript today? Assuming one of these two was the case. Both. Cool, cool. Is the demo up? Oh, that might be my fault. I can't see the demo. Very well could be my own DNS. Yeah, okay. I'll pull it up on my phone later or on another machine. Yeah, this one has like a little bit locked down DNS. No, not your fault at all. I run into it often with things that shouldn't be. Okay. And then in here, you see we've got this project version, and that's like the type of thing that we are bumping when we're telling bump version, bump 202 with a major, minor, or a patch. No problem. We'll see you back if you can make it back. And we just got pre-commit, and that's kind of pre-commit just kind of went rampant on our project and changed like end of line. I just do all these as one commit. Not really too worried about that. Oh, we need to commit our pre-commit config. Add pre-commit config. Then after this, I think I'm good with all of these. And then we'll just do a wc run pre-commit. I'm going to search for near beach. In the repo. Pulling up your demo. Okay. Okay. I can see it here. Then we've got a username and password here. Team underscore leader, capital T test, 1234 $. Yeah. So all underscore team leader. And then we're doing maybe this you can kind of see. out of here. I don't have access to do cool things, but anyways, looking cool. Cool. Thanks for the raid, checking us out. Let's go back to our we got here in our to-do list. I think the only thing we didn't do is interrogate. I'm kind of on the fence about pushing something like that on everyone else. Anyways, let me say we do it. I need to say you might want to do it. Let me see if, oh, we didn't have it here. I feel like I have it in a project that I can't share, but I will look it up. Back and search here. Kick this over just a bit more. Just a second. Looking in this repo in files or a recommit config. And we do have copy. Uh, um, telescope. Pre-commit. Oh, I still need a telescope for hidden files. Let's do edit dot pre. Paste. And we aren't indented correctly. Okay. We'll close that repo. Let's back down. Hey, welcome to have you back. I was able to see here. Get in. I tried to make a task, but I don't have permission to make a task. Where does the name distracted again? You say where the name near beach is. Open source project minute help you keep track of your project. You can track environments. Is the name like help you get work done faster so you can get back to the beach? Is that kind of where it goes from? No, I just live close to the beach. I'm nowhere near the beach, at least to an ocean. I've only been to, I think, twice, twice in my life, or three times, I think, I've been to a legitimate beach in the middle of the U.S. But I grew up on a boat, not necessarily on the boat, but like on the Mississippi River. We were out on that river almost every weekend, and on many different beaches that were not large ocean beaches. Uh, okay, so we added interrogate. Let's make sure we save. Go down. But recommit, run all. That allergies causing a little bit of cough. Invalid config. Okay, so there's, I see the indent here is okay. Indent, big G. Why is this outdent, big G? Outdent, big, oh, uh, so we'll do a visual block. See? There we go. Save, down, run, 22. Is line 20? Oh, line 46. Oh, 46. Okay. Yeah, this should also be lined. So we'll do another block, B, space, save, run. All right, pre-commit is off and running. And it may yell at us that we're missing some docs. Okay, so we're missing some docs. Thank you, Mr. Pre-commit. Let's go ahead and do it from fugitive time. Zoom. I got to be careful with my zoom versus quit. You guys see? Then we do add interrogate. Roll in to the three. Yeah, my special keys. Special today. That's the word. Uh, we will X that, and we will go back. What next? Oh, we got to go fix those pre-commits. Or yeah, interrogate. Setup.py. Okay. I have a good template somewhere. But I don't know where I put it. I feel like if I had it here, it would have made it in. It's here. Fantastic. Copy. Do the top. Do a new line. Do a paste. Next top. Lost some line spacing. Did. Huh. Okay. I think all of these look like this. Okay. This is not kedro diff anymore. This is pypi-list. What'd I do? I just went to the next control N, not all. Uses setup tools.package to build. Try to do a CW pypi-list. Do that. I think this was like an issue on my machine. So we'll delete that. Paste. I just want to make sure we have all and dev as well. So we can do pip install -e .dev. Okay. We have a function. Sometimes I have a function for getting requirements out. Let's do, what are we doing? We can do it from here. GIC, Alt Z. Everybody's passed, and we do instruction for using setup.py. What is next on our list here is the under init. Okay. We're missing some functions. That Z, right? I don't know if any of this is going to end up in the template, but we're going to set a good example. We won't do type hinting right now. Okay. Maybe we'll give this another better name. I don't, even as I go to dock this, doesn't sound good. Run project. And we can even do a full. We're going to do equals none. And full. Okay, so I only want to check sysargv if full is none. Getting in the weeds now. If full, do that. If full, then run. Full equals true. We don't have a main anymore. We have run, check, spelled wrong. There we go. Okay. I'm bad at doing doc strings the correct way. I don't think this is it. Pulling up an example. Different project. Are you not copying? What is the deal here? Copy. Paste. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Delete that and do full. Full pipeline if true. Runs only. Actually skips. Network call if checks this argv or dash dash full if none. Have a examples returns. Okay. This guy returns examples. Take this, paste it, and do a pypi list and run project. Run project. Well, hello, Aiden Bennett Live. Run project. Oh, equals true. Uh, we don't have all that set up, Aiden Bennett, but we are working on uh, a project. So we built a pipeline using Kedro, not using their starter, but it pulls some words out of a list, and GitHub determines what like a dictionary of whole words are, and then pulls all the packages from pypi and figures out what um, packages are available as a whole word. We'll do pypi list. Do a copy, paste. There's your project. Copy, paste. There's the result. Um, so we did this different than the typical template. Has a lot of stuff going on. We did this a little bit simplified. So now we're kind of buttoning it up so we can make it an official starter. If you've ever heard of Gatsby, it's inspired by Gatsby starters. So it's just like a library of examples. Um, okay, so this one, a and just yeah, that's a React thing. But we're not doing anything close to React today. It's all Python, all backend, all data pipelining. Um, Run full pipeline, including save. If you want a bit more, the framework we're using today, and probably most days on this stream, is Kedro. Through a link in the chat for you to their github.com/quantumblacklab/Kedro. So currently, as we button this up, we've added pre-commit. I kill my, I'm not in my terminal. We've added pre-commit, and it is yelling at us about missing doc strings right now from the way I set it up. So I am filling in missing doc strings that we haven't done yet. Okay. Here, we have a little bit better Python API now. With Python, we'll do with a Python REPL in the pipeline. The line And kedro usually comes with like a very nice click command line interface. And our project doesn't have that because it's just a stripped down simple version. So we would do, oh, we got to do underscore pypi underscore list import run project. Run project. Run project. Wait, let's delete this, go to the bottom. Yeah. I have. That's the only one I have. Not here. This was our. Oh, killed it. Back to the bottom. Yank to J. Back to the top. 20 J. Paste. Zero. W. Dot. Dot. Isn't this my backtick? Is my back. I save. Allergies are killing me. Okay, let's save. And we're good. We passed. We got a good interrogate, so I think our pre-commit's going to be good. Let's zoom back into our terminal. Hit UI. You want some breakfast soon? No, you're still not. He's not feeling good either. It's not normal. Um, let's do a admit add doc strings to project. Oh, we failed. Blackened docs was not happy with us. Escape. I don't even know what it changed. Not too worried about it though. Oh, it added a space between our import statement and our code. Okay. Commit. Add. I pushed something I shouldn't have. Apparently I hit enter. What to do? Flake 8. None should be. If is none, I know better. Um, if equals if dots star. Done. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, add string back and we're committed. Okay. Um, other thing, we're missing type hints everywhere. Might be something we can do before we call it a day here. I don't know what packages are. I think they're a string. No, it's soup. Gotta be soup. I'm doing packages.find tag. Ready? Okay. That's 8. That's star. Okay. Move HTML tag. Makes packages. We were just doing this get body, which takes in raw package, which is from request.text. There a find method on? I just don't use find on strings apparently. Uh, this will be a one stir. Uh, stir. Save. Colon stir. Arrow. Stir. Some of these patterns are ones like not touched. Okay. Actually, we're doing stir lower split. So we are already splitting. This function name is not a good name. We're doing a bit more. This is a list. Square bracket, stir, square bracket, colon. No, yeah. To the top. Do from typing import capital L list. Okay. Are we? Okay, this is not type hinted. This is an colon optional. Stir. Oh, hey, Aiden Bennett Live. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. I completely missed that 15 minutes ago. You said you did back end stuff. What kind of back end do you typically do? Option. Okay, I think we're good. Let's do right here. My pi dot. Oh, we have a VNV here. Um, close. Yeah, don't stop this. Okay. My pypi-list. Pi list. Okay, there we go. Then we have a bad type in optional stir. Expression has type bool. Oh, yeah. What am I thinking? Bool. Save. Are we still angry about the optional? Nope, we're good. Save. Um, we'll commit up here this time. Do a zoom, GIC. Everybody's happy. We can add type hinting. Back. Okay. I think I'm about ready to wrap up for the day. Um, a second. Oh, a mine cart or apparently all it takes to float a mine cart in Roblox is 8 balloons. Okay. Um, fingers in the place. Um, so maybe some things we would add to our uh instructions. Uh, this project includes a pre-commit. And we'll wrap this in what are these? I don't know. Backticks. Pre-commit config. This ensure each that made to the project is checks that are CI. Hmm. Set up. Commit on in your development environment. The following command. Me dash it install. Take care of this cough real quick. Hold on. Okay. All right. Let's wrap this up. About time to hit up the real job. Okay. Save this. So this cough is tough now. Trying to get through this cough. It's where's my commit? Save. GIC. There we go. Hit pre. Add pre-commit instructions. Okay, close this. What we're gonna do next time is close this. Finish the README. Let's do git status. Finish the README and convert this into a cookie cutter template. So I'm gonna leave a to do, and it's going to be, yeah. README instructions and the cutter template. Submit to kedro starters. Save it. We are going to do a bump version minor. Oh, we are not clean. Git hash. Bump version. Okay. Let's go to our project toml. Okay, we need to correct our version. So we're going to do an R2, R0, save, GIC. And then what do we want to do here? We want to fix correct version in py project toml. Uh, Get status. We're 14 commits ahead today. Let's do our bump to version minor. Oh, there we go. We go back up here. We'll see. We're on 3. If we do a git log, we just released version 3. Quit, git push. Jump back over to pypi-list. Final action for the day. We are just out of view for you guys. We are running CI on version 3. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and find someone to raid. We have White Panther up today. Terminal emulators. That's interesting. What do we? Let's browse programming. See if there's anybody doing Python. Oh, find Python. Says there's 2 Pythons on the screen. I've struggled past. Okay, so this guy's doing some pop-up workstream mobile construction. Is there a Python tag? There's a Python tag, huh? Okay, so this guy's doing some functionality for OIK GUI v2 Flask.js Python RPy Roam. Apparently I need to add this Python tag to myself. Check out its here I gotta fix my headphones. There. Right, let's do this raid. Thank you everybody for joining this morning. Thank you for again for the follow. Aiden Bennett Live. One last check here. Interesting. Oh, and on a bad note, we failed. We have no attribute main. We can't end on that. That's an easy one. Setup.py. Run. Main is now C. Run. Project. Save. GIS. Oh, no. Go back. Quit and go back to hit the wrong key. Okay, so this is set up. Let's do a GIC. I'll look in. Okay. Okay. This is a fix. Refactored. Okay. Quit. And then let's do a minor bump. Hit push. All right. We pushed. This is going to work. We got version 4 running. We got our raid queued. All right. Have a good one, everyone. Enjoy. It's wait. Oh, I gotta get his, not the URL, but the username.